Hello everybody and welcome back. I am here at Canada's Wonderland and we're going to try out the newly reopened I should say, Mighty Canadian Minebuster. So this was refurbished and retracked. Last year they did half of the track and it felt pretty good until you got halfway through. So let's see what the experience is like now that the full track is done.
Hello, for those of you just joining, Yukon, Minebuster, Behemoth, and Splashworks, they all are temporarily closed. I know it sucks, I know it's unfortunate. It includes Behemoth and Splashworks. You guys just have to plan your day according somewhere else. I know it sucks. Again, hopefully it does open up soon. And that's all. Sorry about that.
Oh my God, what a bummer. So everything is closed past this Frontier Canada sign. Splashworks is not open, Yukon Striker's not open, and Mighty Canadian Minebuster is not open. Although, wait, it just opened. What was that guy talking about? All right, the plans have changed. Never mind, he just apologized to everybody for things being closed, but now we're just walking right on to Minebuster. Okay, well, let's see what happens.
So I got to the station in no time at all. It was practically a walk-on, but thankfully there was another train loading when I got there, which gave me just enough time to strap on my meta glasses to get this ride POV. Check it out.
All right, so I just got off of the newly refurbished and retracked Mighty Canadian Minebuster, and I am very pleased to say that it was a very smooth experience. There's like one point about 3/4 of the way through the track that still gives you a bit of a rattle. It's a bit of a jump scare, but other than that, it's super smooth. And you know what? It's funny. I mean, like, for all that we've been wanting it to be smoother and retracked and refurbished, there's still something I kind of miss about the sheer terror that you experience when it used to be super rattly and rocky. But, you know, I don't know, maybe that's just the nostalgic side of me saying that. But yeah, without question, it is way smoother. I'm sure a lot more people are going to enjoy this ride now. It's a lot of fun. I would say that this is now officially part of the big 5 roller coasters here at Canada's Wonderland. A must try if you come to Canada's Wonderland. And if you've already tried it before and you had a bad experience, try it now. I guarantee the experience will be better. All right, so that was an awesome experience. It is getting really busy in the line there. So good luck to all those that are trying to go on Minebuster today. You're gonna be waiting probably at this point, 40 minutes to an hour, and the day has only just begun. So yeah, it's been awesome. Thanks for checking that out with me. Remember, if you wanna see more stuff like this, just like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. And as always, thanks for watching.